Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are going to stir fry a tofu recipe. How can we cook a tofu to bring out more flavor? I have this beautiful chili. I'm just gonna give them a quick cut. This chili, about medium spicy. But after we cook through it, it's going to bring out really good flavor. I got some green scallion. We're going to split it in half. It's easier to cook. I got a few cilantro. Here I got some string bean. I have to cook it today. Doesn't look too good, but it's still okay. I'm going to blanch a string bean later on. Got this beautiful bell pepper. We're going to cut the bell pepper into a little strip. Not too thick. So they can have a really good stir fry with the high heat. Or give you a lot of flavor. It's a beautiful color too. Okay. Those are my good start ingredient. And here we got this firm tofu. So firm tofu. We're gonna cut into a little same size of the strip like the vegetable. I just fillet like 4 layers, and then we're just gonna give them a quick. You see? So we put the tofu separately because we're gonna cook the tofu and the vegetable separate time. There we go. I choose firm tofu because it's easier to cook without breaking. Okay. Preheat a scallop, medium high heat. And then I have a pot of water. I'm going to bring up to a boil. I'm going to use sesame oil. So it's a very high smoking point oil. I'm going to add my tofu in. And here I have this calendar with all the beans. Once the water brings up to a boil, we're going to blanch the string bean for some time. I almost like pan fry the tofu. By choosing the firm tofu, they were not easier to break, so easier for us to cook. Stir fry here. The pot and pan, medium high heat. Perfect. This tofu, I'm going to cook pan fry like maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Roughly guess until they brown. That looks pretty good. And then here the water is boiling. So we're going to add the bean in. Some bean is a little bit tender than the other. But this one I know is a little bit tough. So we're going to blanch it, cook it for a little bit longer. Gentle. You look at me like you use a lot of strength, but actually I'm very gentle. Very gentle. not to break it. Pretty good. Now I'm using all my beautiful chili, bell pepper, green onion, cilantro. 小炒 means stir fry. Simple family style stir fry. Ah! Look at here. I thought I take it out already. There we go. Give them a quick stir here. What do we need here? Tell me guys, what do we need here? A little more oil to cook. Don't be afraid, use the right amount. Believe me, it's delicious. Ah, see, now it's better. The bean still blanched. So while I'm cooking here, the bean I think is done. I'm just going to turn off the fire, and then I'm going to drain this out into a colander, which is right here, and then let the bean sit for a minute. You know something? It's all about timing. Timing is crucial. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. Huh? Very nice. Very nice. Alright, we'll put this on the side here. The tofu is still cooking good. Look at that. Tofu is brown. Very nice. Here. Little oil. Sesame oil. This is a 小炒. We don't need a lot of sauce for this. We build flavor, you know? Alright, now I'm going to throw the bean in here. Go like this. Now we stir fry the bean. So the bean is semi-cooked. We have few minutes cooking in the boiling water. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to add some flavor that I want. Pot and pan controlled beautifully. Ginger and garlic. Right? We already have a green chili, so I add some hot chili oil. Oyster sauce. Go one round like this. And hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce for the sweetness. Hoisin sauce is really good for stir fry and making soup. And little sake. Only use a cooking wine when the pot and pan is hot. Now the smell is amazing. So good. Black pepper. Soy sauce lightly. Like that. Good. Trust me. Okay. Now it's a happy family combined together. That's how my grandma cook. That's how my mom cook. That's how I cook. Look at that. Gorgeous, huh? Oh yeah. I can tell. See? You can squeeze down. The green bean is tender. Not mushy, semi-crunchy and tender. Couple times stir. I think that's good. Very delicious. Very good. Oh, beautiful. I think the dish is done. That's one way to cook the tofu. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.